find. Just you need to go to that EC2 instance. You can go directly from here. And launch the instance. So this time you have to choose this Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Can I see it, all of you? This one, first one. Just select it.
So which one? Please repeat.
You have to select that AMI Linux one, Linux AMI 2.
सर मेरे स्क्रीन पे ये वाला नहीं आ रहा, नेम एंड रीजन वाला पार्ट नहीं शो कर रहा है.
Name and reason? No, it should show. You have the account? Do you have account? Then it should show.
सर ग्लिच होगा, उसको रिफ्रेश कर ले.
Just look at here, guys. You have to select this Amazon Linux 2 MI. Just select it, this one. Then you have to choose an instance type like T2 Micro. It's by default, it's already been selected, so no changes here. Now go to the next, configure instance detail.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, it's maybe 64-bit 86 लेना है ना, x86.
Yes.
Yes.
First one you need to choose this Linux. First one that you are finding, that you have to select it. So here number of instances, let it be 1. And network is VPC, let it be.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, can you name the instance that you have selected? My AWS was lagging, so I am still at the first step.
Yes, you have to select Amazon Linux 2 AMI.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next, you have to go to T2 Micro. Then next, in this configuration, configure instance, you have to here no changes in network, default one choose. In subnet, you can select any zone as you wish, or you can let it be default, that is also fine. This one you need to make it enable. Then protection, if you want, then you can enable it. If you don't, then leave it.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why we are choosing Amazon Linux AMI? Because there are better distros out there like Ubuntu or Debian or OpenSUSE.
Yes. So actually, you can choose any, but our lab is based on Linux AMI 2. So that's why we have chosen it. Right. Our lab is based on that, operating system, Linux operating system, and their software is free tier. That eligible is like Amazon Linux 2 AMI. So that's why we have chosen. Other, if you will be selecting, might be it will charge. Just check it. Just scroll down. You can choose any. It's not like that.
Sir, Ubuntu server, OpenSUSE, Red Hat, all have free tiers.
Yes, so then choose it. Anyone we can choose it. No issue.
So
yes,
no issue, right?
Yes, you can follow the same step. You can choose it. No issue. Next.
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, in the second step, sir. Sir, we only choose that one, T2.micro.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
Now go to this configure instance detail. Then you have, I have already made the changes. Like this one should be enabled. The rest of the things should be default one only. Protection, don't enable it, not required. Go next, add storage. So here in this case, whenever you are choosing that AMI for the Linux, you will be finding by default in root volume it's used so that what is a 8 GIB, right? So no need to increase it. It's not you can use till 30 GB, that is fine, but keep it 8 GB only. No requirement of to increase the volume of this Linux root volume of the Linux. So that is no need of this. So you can keep 8 GB only. Some people used to ask that, sir, can we make it 20, 30? Yes, you can do that. Here you can read the message. They are telling that you can go up to 30 GB. So as you wish, you can do that. Next, add tags.
सर मेरा -8 दिखा रहा है.
Add -8. So just see here, add tags, add storage. Here you are saying you are finding that -8.
Yes sir.
Make it 8. Just write it there. Make it 8. Add tags. Go to add tags.
Okay.
So in add tags, what you used to do? You used to write that name, right? So here is what the name, and their name, let it be a Linux server, Linux web server already there. So you can give the name Linux web server. In my system, it's already been there. One instance is running. So I have to give other name, Linux web server. Then go to configure security group. Here you can add that HTTP and HTTPS. You can add in this. So this is HTTP. Next, HTTPS you can add. Then review and launch. So you want to give some name of the security group, so you can write that.
Sir, there is an option called WinRM HTTP and WinRM HTTPS. Sir, what are those, sir?
WinRM is not required. You just selected HTTP and HTTPS. That
Oh,
one
sir,
is,
what are those actually? I am just curious.
yes, there are so many things are there. You need to search it. There are so many protocols. These are basically what? These are the protocols. Are you getting it? WinRM HTTPS, WinRM HTTP. These are the different kind of protocols.
So ये Linux to AMI है ना?
Yes. So here basically we are using what? We are using HTTP and HTTPS for whether you are going for the Linux or Windows operating system, right? So there is no problem. You can use HTTP and HTTPS. So going to the next, just see here, guys. You can give the name of this security group. So
there are two options, x86 and ARM.
Huh?
In the choose AMI part.
Where?
In the choose AMI.
Yes.
There are two options. One is 64-bit x86 and 64-bit ARM.
x86. Choose it.
Okay.
So here security group name is just write it. Any name you can give. Even if not give, that is also fine. So this one is Linux. Just let it be. Review and launch.
सर जब बाय डिफॉल्ट था उसको रहने दे रहे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना?
क्या बाय डिफॉल्ट?
सर वो लास्ट में जो चेंज किया आपने वो सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप नेम में.
Security group here.
हाँ
Yes, you can default. You can leave. Yes, you can leave there.
ओके सर.
सर टैग्स वाला और एक बार दिखाइए ना.
कौन सा tag? Add tags. You can write the name. I mean, of your Linux server. You can give any name. It's not like what I am writing will be writing the same. You can give anything.
Sir,
Yes.
why there is no protocol for FTP, sir?
FTP.
Yes, sir.
FTP is not a see. FTP is a file transfer protocol. Are you getting it? FTP here it's not required. Whenever that will be required, then you have to configure. Basically, these are the protocol that is working under application layer. I have already discussed, and that protocol we support for the I mean that we use in the transport layer like TCP only we use it. So that's why by default, whenever you are selecting any protocol, so you are finding that here is what is a TCP. So FTP is what is a file transfer protocol. Whenever you are sending any file or transferring it, so backend that FTP is running. So no need to FTP and TFTP. Remember this. So you can also find the difference of this. Write the assignment question. What is the difference between FTP and TFTP? Search it. These are the all networking question. It's not related to cloud basically. You should have whenever you are going for the cloud, you should have good knowledge of the networking. Then hardware also knowledge you should have. Then you should have storage knowledge like DAS, NAS, SAN, right? Then something like some part of this operating system knowledge you should have. All the things required. Then only you can be a good, architect of this cloud. Remember this. So
Sir, FTP is also reside in application layer, but it's
yes,
not there in this list, sir.
here, because here, see here, and you will be finding, just see here, NFS you have RDP, POP3, IMAP, SMTP, FTP is not there. FTP is not there because see here, the FTP basically we will be fetching that way whenever we will be configuring this kind of that server. So after what we used to do that we used to type that IP, we get that page, right? So that thing for the getting that page and all, so only HTTP is enough. HTTP and HTTPS. So that's why there is no need of here what.
Yeah, but if I want to upload something that like I have to upload a whole web PHP configuration files and all, then I have to use FTP to connect with that server.
Yes.
What then I will do?
You can use custom protocol. There is one option called custom. So FTP उससे हो जाएगा.
Yes, you can go for it. Good. Okay, guys. So next is review and launch. So we have done this all the configuration as you can see it here. So next, just you need to launch it. Just generate one key pair. Write the key pair name. This time you need to download that key pair. Last time you can use the existing one as well. Here better is to download it. So it is a PEM file. So save it. The PEM file only, don't change it. Now launch it. The same step, guys. There are no changes. Once you create the instance, then there will be a different step for this Linux. But till launching the instance, so most of the steps are similar only. Like how you did it for the Windows server. The same thing I'm doing for this year. So just do it everybody quickly. Now you can view the instance. So see it's initializing. So here has not been taken the name. I can write it here like Linux wave server to save.
Sir,
Yeah.
there is no RDP in Linux, right?
There is.
Sir, like in Windows, we were able to connect through RDP, but I
Yes,
don't
there is
see.
no. Yes. There is no RDP required for this Linux. I will tell you what are the things required. You require the PuTTY software, PuTTY Gen, and PuTTY software. Everybody is having. Just search it now.
Sir,
Everybody done this till this.
sir, I forgot to click download security key.
Then go back and download it.
Sir, I did, but it's getting back to the home page.
No, go to the which step was. I mean, for downloading.
Sir, I'm at this first page where I select the current instant I created. Then there are all the options: details, security, networking, storage, status checks.
That thing is there, na, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just go to just wait. I'll allow you. What's your name?
It's a Khushi.
Okay.
So 1804443. Okay, so keep your name wait, sir. I can't download it. Yeah, sir. Kindly please allow me to share.
Yes.
So 1804443.
Yes, allowed. Just check it.
Yes. Yeah. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So keep your name XYZ.
Just 1 minute.
So are you there?
इस इंस्टेंस को डिलीट करके दूसरा बना लो तब तक हो जाएगा
पर जाओ
हाँ एग्जैक्टली इसको डिलीट कर
लेक्चर और एडिट पे जाओ टेंसेस में
Pardon me?
टेंसेस है ना I0 instances हो रहा है.
Is it audible, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, done.
No, sir. Sir, मैं नया फिर से बना लूं.
What
Okay.
Edit कर.
Security pair. You have the name is here. Okay, click it there. I think you need to again create it. Last time also the same thing happened. It will be able to do. So
So
better,
keep it.
but it will not work. You can go for it. Just see it. Go for it. Go to PEM file. I don't think it will work. No. Okay, we can create another instance. You can just terminate this instance. Go for another instance.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Other people has done. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर कल जैसे बनाए थे वैसा ही तो था ना आज. इसमें 2x2 चेक स्टेटस चेक नहीं हो रहा है.
रिफ्रेश करते हो जाएगा.
Just see here, guys. So just check it whether your instance is ready or not. So mine one is already passed. Just check it yours.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
So so next what you have to do,
One is still pending.
just check it. तुम लोग स्टेप जब भी करते हो तो जल्दीबाजी क्यों करते हैं मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आता. सिंपल स्टेप है, हर बार कर रहा है एक ही चीज, उसमें भी तुम लोग गलत कर दे रहे हैं. कोई एक स्टेप भूल जा रहा है, कोई डाउनलोड करना भूल जा रहा है, कोई समथिंग सम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दे हैव लेफ्ट. No, one configuration only you have to. Each step you have to do one or two configuration. Somewhere you don't have to do anything in that. But still you people are not able to do that. तुम लोग को इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना चाहिए. Just here
सर
guys.
पास हो गया सर, पास हो गया.
What you have to do next? पहले सर्च में जाओ and then just check it whether Putty and Putty Gen software is there or not in your system. Just check it first. Putty, just check it. It should show like that. Everybody.
No, sir, it's not there.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not there.
No, sir.
Not there, sir.
Okay,
No,
just wait.
No,
Now
sir.
do one thing, go to search and then type Puttygen. Puttygen. Just check it whether it's there like this. It's showing Puttygen.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's not showing.
Okay,
No, sir.
no problem. Just go to new tab. Everybody, open any browser. Just type it. Just type that Putty or search in Google. Type it Putty. Okay, just search it everybody Putty. Then you have to download this software. You can download from here. Let me tell you the correct path. Just wait. Yeah, this one, just click it. Download Putty. Yeah. Are you getting it everybody? Windows, Linux, Mac.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you required for the Windows.
Sir, can you please share the link?
Yes, I will share it. Just wait.
Sir, is there any difference between Putty and Puttygen?
Not a bit different. I will tell you what are the differences. Why we'll be using both the software. I will just wait. I will tell you.
कौन सा फाइल डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं?
Sir, we have to click on the x86 version, right?
Just wait. I have shared the link. Just click it on there. This is for your Putty. So once you clicked, you will be finding that MSI Windows installer. Then you have putty for the Windows. Are you getting
सर
it?
वो SSH यूज करके सर पावर सेल से भी डायरेक्ट वो कमांड मतलब वो पाथ देख के कीप
Yes, sir. I am also using that PowerShell actually.
यस सर वो
What are you using?
कन्वीनियंट है थोड़ा
Which one you
सर
are
एक
using?
कमांड है सर वो मतलब उस कमांड के थ्रू बेसिकली SSH कमांड है उसके थ्रू हम डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं थ्रू पावर सेल मतलब पावर सेल के थ्रू हम डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं लिनक्स से सर वो कमांड भी मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ
Command लिखा हुआ है actually.
हाँ वो यस
ठीक है, वो
जिधर
कॉपी कर, हाँ वैसे भी
जिस
कर
जगह
सकते
पे
हो।
वो PEM फाइल है उस डायरेक्टरी में जाके पावर शेल में उस डायरेक्टरी में जाके वो कमांड लिखना है
ठीक है, तुम लोग को पुट्टी पहले डाउनलोड करो सब, both of all of you, I mean both the software you need to download.
Do the x86 version, right?
Yes, 64-bit x86. And just I'm sharing you the putty chain as well. So you can go with the, I mean, through the command as well. You can copy the command, you can paste it, you can go through it. But this one putty actually real environment, you will be working for the, I mean, you will be connecting with the putty. So that will be, if earlier, if you have the knowledge of this, so that is the good thing. So that's why I have told you to download this software. You can also keep this software later on also you can use whenever you are connecting with this any other system or any server, Linux server.
सर इसको अगर हम डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं ना तो वो पूरी ARM 64 हो जा रहा है डाउनलोड टाइम पे ARM 64 दिखा रहा है x86 नहीं दिखा रहा है
हाँ वही है
Everybody getting same thing?
Sir, x86 is not supported by the
Yes sir, और सर सपोर्ट भी नहीं कर रहा है प्रोसेसर टाइप इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा है
चैट बॉक्स पे भेजा हुआ है पुट्टी का इंस्टॉलर उससे डाउनलोड कर लो
mine is working
Just download it. I have shared the link. Just find.
Sir, do we need to configure anything while installing, or should we just
No,
click next?
no, just next, and at the end just finish it.
सर आप दोनों लिंक भेजे दोनों को डाउनलोड करना है
दो लिंक भेजा है, वो एक ही लिंक शायद भेजा था ना मैंने, दो लिंक है
वो अलग अलग है सर
अलग है
नहीं एक ही है बेसिकली
एक ही लिंक है मैंने एक ही भेजा है अभी तक
सर नहीं एक ही है
मैं अभी एक और भेज रहा हूँ जस्ट सी yeah just find it this is for Jen just download everybody and install the software
so we'll have to install both of them right sir?
yes and this one keep also I mean for the later on also you can use this putty is very good software I mean you are from CSIT so it will require
sir downloaded
everybody done anyone who is still doing raise your hand
Sir, putty I have done. Putty Jan I'm doing.
okay completed all of you
Done, sir.
So when I'm opening putty.exe, that putty file, putty gen file, it's showing a dialog box where we have to configure some features. Could you please guide us?
just wait you have downloaded or not have you
Yeah.
downloaded the software just wait
Yeah.
all of you just download the software install it and after that don't do anything once I'll tell you then accordingly you have to proceed
Sir, I already have putty. So when I am clicking on the putty's gen, it is opening the same window. Like, what do we do?
I think you have put earlier one you have that putty I have shared that link only you have clicked and downloaded. That's why the problem. Go to the last
Sir,
link which I have shared you.
it was done by HRC during hardening, so they put
Okay,
it.
then no problem.
Yes, sir,
If-
same here.
then no problem. Just see here. Let me
सर
show you.
पुट्टीजन इंस्टॉल करने के टाइम पे एक वो आ जा रहा है आईपी एड्रेस को जैसा कॉन्फ़िगर करने के लिए।
सर इंस्टॉल करने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल है।
तुम लोग का है तो पहले से, अगर है तो फिर इंस्टॉल मत करो, छोड़ दो।
नहीं सर, वहाँ पे बस पुट्टी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऐसा कुछ लिखा है और होस्ट नेम और आईपी समथिंग लाइक दैट।
यस सर।
होस्ट नेम आईपी, हाँ वो ठीक है, वही चाहिए। तुम लोग क्या डाउनलोड करने के बाद बोल रहे हैं या उससे पहले से ये इशू हो रहा है? डाउनलोड करने से पहले क्या बोल रहे हैं तुम समझ
नहीं
नहीं
सर,
आया?
डाउनलोड करने के बाद।
ठीक है देन फाइन
सर डाउनलोड करने के बाद वो शो कर रहा है यहाँ पे
इंस्टॉल
नेम आईपी एड्रेस।
अच्छा हाँ वही चाहिए, होस्ट नेम आईपी वही चाहिए, डोंट डू एनीथिंग। Just wait guys, just see here. I hope you all have done. Anyone who is still doing, raise your hand. Anyone who is still downloading? Okay, nobody. Now see. So just see here. Next what you have to do, you have to go to this PuttyGen. Okay, just search it. Software, this one should look like that, PuttyGen, GEN. Okay.
Sir,
Now
can
you
we
have to click.
putty also?
No, not now Putty. Just go to PuttyGen. PuttyGen means what? Putty key generator.
We cannot install putty gen.
It is asking
Yes,
for
sir.
admin permission.
Yes, sir.
Which you don't
Yes,
have.
sir.
Okay. Okay, then see the steps. Then we'll find the other way to do that. First of all, just see the step what I'm doing here. Just look at here. Other people just do it. Those who are able to do that. I mean, they have the software. Just see. Go to the load. Click on load. Right. So basically, what I'm doing here. Just see here. I'll be selecting the key pair. Okay, here. Like how you are selecting key pair by decrypting the password when you are connecting with the RDP in the Windows server. The same
जब
thing is here.
जेन डाउनलोड करे तो ये एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल बस डाउनलोड हो रहा है, और फिर अगर उसको ओपन कर रहे हैं तो फिर एक पुटी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन हो रहा है जिसमें होस्ट नेम या आईपी एड्रेस चाहिए।
उससे कट कर दो, उसे बंद कर दो और सर्च में ये वाला ओपन कर दो सर, ओपन किए। डोंट इंस्टॉल पुट्टी जेन, इंस्टॉल पुट्टी जो भी फर्स्ट वाला है, और अभी ये वाला ओपन करो बस।
Just see here. Go to load. Then find that key pair.
That PEM file, sir.
So where was my key pair? Just I have to find like that. You people also do that. It was in AWS key pair. So I have made the key pair for.
तो फाइल टाइप चेंज कर दीजिए, वो नीचे आपका .ppk फाइल है।
.ppk फाइल आ गया, PEM फाइल होना चाहिए, all files. Okay, so it was Linux one, so I need to open this, right? Success opened before, so you have to click it. Okay, it has taken. Okay guys, just do that everybody.
Yes sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, so now you have to go to save private key. You have to click it here. Save private key. So here you have to make it yes. Are you sure want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Yes. So here you need to save that. So like key pair, I'm just saving with the file name. You can give any name. So here is just you can
Sir,
take
after
anything.
loading, what we have to do?
Line what loading? Load, then go to it will ask you some there will be some alert message like that. So you have to put it here, okay. Then go to save private key. Then once you will click it save private key, then it will ask you, there is some notification will come, so just you have to make it yes. So here you have to give the file name like just let me give you Linux private key.
Sir, here also we should save what type all files. PEM.
Will tell you, just first file name write it, Linux private key. Key 1 private key earlier I have created, I think 1. So this one let it be 1 private key 1, and the type should here you can check it what are the things are there, private key dot ppk file. So there is no changes here, you can just keep as it is, putty private key files, okay, no changes. Done. Next you have to save it, save. Done. Then you have to close this. Done everybody? If you're done, then you have to close this gen, putty gen.
Done, sir.
It is not able to find the PM file where it is available.
तो
Where
तुम लोग
तो ऑल में करके देखना.
हाँ वो ऑल फाइल्स पे क्लिक करके देखो नीचे जहाँ पे, क्योंकि पीपी के फाइल उठा रहा होगा वहां से, तो उसको जा करके वहां से ऑल फाइल्स कर दो, हो जाएगा.
उसके बाद क्या करना है, बस उसको ओपन कर देना है पीएम फाइल को.
हाँ ओपन करोगे फिर अलर्ट आएगा तो यस, एंड देन जनरेट प्राइवेट की कुछ करके आएगा.
जनरेट प्राइवेट की कोई ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा सर. सेव प्राइवेट की.
हुआ guys? Everybody done it? Yes or no guys?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. So now you have, what you have to do, you have to go to that putty software. Okay. Clear you have did it in where putty gen. Now you have to search for the putty. Just it's already been showing here putty. So just you need to click it on there. So here you have to give the host name, I mean IP address you have to give, right? So just see, don't give right now IP and all. What you have to do, you have to just go to that, I mean that SSH. So just see here, here you will be finding SSH. Can you get it? Here, just click it there. Are you getting it guys? SSH, just click it, double click this.
Yes.
So once you do double click, you will be finding
ये डायलॉग बॉक्स कैसे आया?
auth. पुट्टी को सर्च करो आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक. ये वाला जो है पुट्टी का सॉफ्टवेयर है तुम्हारा. Just go to Windows, search it putty, you will find this dialog box, and then you have to go to SSH. Inside the SSH, you will be finding auth. Auth, where is it? Here. Now what you have to do, this auth you have to select auth. Next what you have to do, browse this file. यहाँ देखो ये जो है auth का जो ppk फाइल जो था उसको ब्राउज करना है यहाँ से. वो कहाँ सेव किया था मैंने, Linux प्राइवेट की 1 से.
कैसे सर्च करने के बाद क्या करना है?
Just see, you have to go to putty software, just search for putty. There is your putty software, just make it on putty, then go to SSH. IP अगर अभी नहीं डालना है, हम लोग को simply SSH पे जाना था. Let me show you again step. Just see here guys, you will be typing here putty, keep it there. Next just find SSH on this side. Where is it? This one. Just do double click. Now you will be finding auth.
Auth. Got it, everybody? Click it here, auth. Once you select the auth or click, you will find this, this some of the that content where that they will can allow and all. So that you don't have to do anything. Just you need to browse what. So you have to find the PPK file which you have converted from PEM file to PPK file. You have converted basically through the PuttyGen, right? तो अब देखो ये वाला जो है इसको तुम लोग को सिलेक्ट करना होगा. ये .ppk फाइल है, इसको सिलेक्ट करो, फिर ये ओपन कर दो यहाँ से. Just do that, everybody. Open it. Yes.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now if you are done, and go to session. Just go scroll up and go to the session. Now you have to keep that public IP here, IP address. What is the IP? You can find it here in the server. This one I am doing. So this IP, just copy it, public IP. Go here, paste that IP. Control B. Just do it, everybody.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now next go open. Click on open. So here once you'll get that on alert.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, एक बार repeat कर दीजिएगा.
Host doesn't exist.
Just see what you have to do. Earlier, like all this, you have to do the go to the putty, then in putty you have to go to the SSH. In left side, just find it SSH, then go to auth. Got it. Next, browse file. Then in browse file, you have to find your PEM file. PEM file or PPK file? PPK file you have to find here, so that you have already converted to PPK file. So that one, just select it. Next, you have to go to the session and give the public IP address. Okay.
SSH में कुछ changes किए क्या?
SSH no changes. Only you have to click on SSH and go to auth. In auth, you have to browse your file. I mean PPK file. You have to browse. Just select that file and go to the session and give IP. So here you have to accept.
Security alert में क्या करना है?
What security alert? Yes, you have to just make it whatever thing you are finding. For this alert, you have to just go for accept it. Just see what is.
So after putting the public IP address, then we should have to save.
Don't save. Just log in it. I mean, you have to just open it. Once you'll give the host name or IP address, just you have to open. And where is open?
The font of the putty a bit more larger. Can't see what's happening there.
Huh?
Can you full screen the putty?
Visible now?
Okay, it's visible.
Sir?
But still
Yes.
the font is very.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, what did you select in portability of that?
हाँ, क्या बोल रहा है? Security में accept करना है.
Accept, okay.
Accept करो. Oh, that will not. Listen. तुम लोग वहाँ accept करो. ऐसा login का आएगा. आ रहा है या नहीं बताओ पहले. Okay, then stay there. Everybody just stay there.
Sir, I am.
Anyone who has not reached till this, Anyone?
Sir, I'm getting only the green
Yes,
cursor.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, mine too. Yes, sir, mine too.
लॉगिन एज नहीं आ रहा लिखा हुआ
क्या नहीं आ रहा है? लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है?
Sir,
login
I
as
can
नहीं
on the
दिख रहा है।
screen. I can only see
हाँ,
the
सिर्फ
green
green
cursor.
only
on the
green
screen.
arrow.
लॉगिन नहीं दिख रहा है तुम लोग को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर सिक्योरिटी अलर्ट में क्या करना है? एक्सेप्ट।
Accept.
Is it visible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here in login you have to write it EC2 user. Just login as, just type it EC2. Here you have to type. Okay, just wait.
सर टाइप नहीं हो रहा है सर।
Yes, sir. Since वो
Yes, sir,
login
type
as
नहीं हो
नहीं
रहा
दिख रहा है तो
सर वो टाइप होता है, वो दिखाता नहीं है सर, वो विजिबल नहीं होता, हिडन होता है।
Just wait. Is it showing in your system like?
Sir, relaunch the window.
सर ऊपर से रीस्टार्ट सेशन कर सकते हैं।
अरे बाबा 2 मिनट सुनो पहले, तुम लोग का क्या पुटी इनएक्टिव लिख रहा है क्या? Are getting it
Yes,
inactive?
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. वो IP
No,
address
sir.
आ रहा है लिखा हुआ।
Public
आ रहा है
IP
सर।
Public IP hyphen putty लिख के आ रहा है।
Okay.
थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा अभी इनएक्टिव, जब काम नहीं होगा तो।
और एक नोटिफिकेशन भी आएगा ओके करने का एयरटेल रोड पहले।
रीस्टार्ट सेशन कैसे होगा?
टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में ऑप्शन है।
Just see here, guys. I'm just reconnecting it. Just see.
हाँ सर रिस्टार्ट सेशन करने से आ रहा है।
थैंक यू।
Yes. So just see here. Just those who are not able to do that, just again you can follow this step. You have to go to the putty, click it on here. Next you have to go to SSH. Just find the SSH. Here just go down. You have to find the auth. Everybody is getting it. Next, just browse that. This one Linux private key 1. I think this one only I have made the name, and just you have to open it. Just next you have to go to the session. Type that IP 15.219.242.48. Just type it. I mean, you can copy paste also, and then go here, go to open, and here you need to write that.
login as.
हाँ सर अभी
Yes.
आ रहा है।
So here you will be finding that IP should be, if it is showing the inactive, then it will not work. Remember this. If your IP address is showing on top of it, it means that your putty is working properly. That is your only user ID. EC2. So here it will be visible for login. It's not like that. Whenever you type in the password, so at that time it doesn't show that what you are typing it, but for the login it will show you all the text, whatever you will be writing it will show you. So basically what it is, EC2 -user and press enter. So that thing should show like Amazon Linux to AMI, like as you know that we have configured AMI Linux, you know, Amazon Linux to AMI. I hope you remember this machine we have configured. So that one now it is showing here.
What to write?
We are able to connect with this port, the server, I mean Linux AMI with this PuttyGen, I mean Putty software, right? So now we can access this your Linux operating system.
Sir, just a request.
Login, just see here, use EC2 -user, you have to type login as EC2 small e small c then 2 -user USER. After writing just press enter. Yes, tell me who was asking.
Sir, just a request, sir. In the instance window of your browser, sir, can you please show the connect button? I mean, click the connect button.
What connect button you are asking? This one, disconnect.
Yes, sir. And then to SSH client. Then a bit down, sir.
I'm down only. Yes.
Okay, I got it. I got what I wanted. Thank you, sir.
Just see here,
So,
guys.
I'm getting an error that unable to load key file. I tried it twice, but still it's showing.
Sir, I'm getting server key refused.
Yes,
Sir, I'm also getting server key refused.
Yes sir, server key refused.
तुम लोग एक बार इनएक्टिव तो नहीं है ना?
तुम लोग को फिर से एक बार पुट्टी को ऑन करो।
सर वहीं पे रिस्टार्ट हो जाएगा।
सर 3 बार की बट फिर भी सेम आ रहा है।
ओके, शेयर योर स्क्रीन।
सर 1806393।
Just do that.
Wait. So is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. See from here. After that, go into session.
Your IP is not correct. Just wait. First check your IP properly.
Yeah, this one only.
Just wait. 65.2. Just show me in
65.2.9.
Yes. Okay, fine. Yeah, write it EC2.user. No, hyphen. No, not like that.
Hyphen. Okay, so wait, I'll do once more. Hyphen user.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's
Thank
fine.
you, sir.
So could I share my screen, please?
So do you have the same problem? So just write.
No, it's a different problem. It's showing unable to load key file, and it's in the bracket. It's showing putty key version, putty key format to new.
Tell me your name.
So Srishti Ghosh 1828280.
Yes. Share your screen.
Okay. So is it visible?
Yes. Unable to load the file. You have not been PPK file is not been loaded properly. Just close it. This. Yeah, go to Putty again. Just close all close it. This one is fine. This one you have loaded, but PPK file is not in Putty. Yes, go to Putty. Good. Yes, now browse it.
So this is the file.
No. This file is not correct one you have downloaded. Just go to now PuttyGen. Go to PuttyGen. Yeah, load it. Find your key pair. That was your key pair.
This was the key pair.
Okay.
Then I have to save.
No. Go to save private key. Save private key. Yes. Yes, save it.
It's the same thing it's showing. Like I've tried 4 to 5 times now.
Sir, I'm also facing the
Actually,
same issue.
your file which you have loading it na, that one where you have key pair, I mean downloaded. That time I think that correct key pair has not been downloaded, because just show me. It should not show like that. This icon should be a bit different. Yeah, so just click it on there. कितना बाकी बच्चों का
This is
कितना
the
size
key
है?
pair that I
Just wait, it should not show like that, like linux linux.ppk you are writing it na? I mean that folder name that you have.
Yes.
The size, other people just check it. What is the size of this? Go up, you just go up.
2 KB आ रहा है.
2 KB आ रहा है तुम लोग का भी.
सर फाइल टाइप दूसरा है पीपीके है.
ये तो like जो मैंने दोबारा सेव किया है वो different है. This is the PEM one, the keypad that I downloaded, and this is from the Putty Gen.
Check if the instance that you are running has the and the key that you have associated are same or not.
मैंने वहां से डाउनलोड किया तो सेम ही होगा.
Might not be.
Configuration के time.
Might not be. Just check it once.
कल जो की डाउनलोड की थी वो डिलीट की थी.
मैंने नाम चेंज कर दिया था so that and I don't think इससे प्रॉब्लम होगा. पहले वाला ये था जब फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस किया था, उसके बाद ये आज का है.
ये फर्स्ट वाला जो तुम्हारा है ये Srishti Ghosh 1.pem, that one was earlier it was working.
Yes.
This one was working.
Yes.
RTP.
Yes, it was working. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I'm also facing the same issue.
Yes, sir. Me
Yes,
too.
sir. Me too.
Okay.
I was able to solve it. Downloads में जो पुट्टी वाला फाइल है उसको खोलो. हाँ ये वाला. हाँ इसमें सेम स्टेप्स ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा. वो एक्चुअली हाई रेडियस वाला पुट्टी फाइल हम लोग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसमें नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा.
This is not your IP, I think. Is it your IP? Yes.
हाँ.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now
अच्छा, I think high radius वाले में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. Thank you.
Sir, I am getting a fatal error. No supported authentication methods available.
Yes, sir. I am also facing the same error.
fatal error.
Yes, sir.
तुम लोग भी हाई रेडियस का है क्या?
नहीं सर.
ठीक है, फिर तुम शेयर करो स्क्रीन. क्या नेम है? टेल मी.
Sir, 1805098 Akshaj.
Yes, share it. No support authentication. Okay. Okay, just click it. Okay. Now go to Putty. You have converted to the PPK file.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
मेरा भी यही
यही एरर आ रहा था, तो मैं वो डाउनलोड वाला फाइल से किया हूँ तो आ गया।
ठीक है,
इंस्टॉल जो फाइल है उससे नहीं होगा।
अच्छा डाउनलोड फाइल करो वहां से।
सर पुट्टी वाला वो फिर से लोड करूँ क्या?
नहीं तुम्हारा
नहीं
ये
नहीं, जो अभी डाउनलोड किया है।
ओके।
डाउनलोड में जाके।
डाउनलोड में जाके अजन?
अरे अभी अभी डाउनलोड किया ना।
फाइल एक्सप्लोरर का डाउनलोड्स खोलो।
फाइल्स में
ये वाला मैंने कन्वर्ट किया था।
नहीं
ये
नहीं,
वाला
पुट्टी
फाइल
वाला सॉफ्टवेयर, मतलब पुट्टी वाला exe फाइल।
सॉफ्टवेयर तो मेरा इंस्टॉल था पहले से।
नहीं नहीं,
एक बार
उसमें नहीं हो
डाउनलोड
रहा है।
करना पड़ेगा।
उसमें नहीं है, एक डाउनलोड कर लो हो जाएगा।
ओके ठीक है।
Okay, so you all have done, I think. Just close it. What is that? Stop sharing your screen. What is this? Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, since it's stagnant for such a long time now, it's showing putty inactive. So फिर से करूँ क्या?
Connect कर दो उसको.
वो राइट में रीस्टार्ट सेशन है,
Restart.
राइट
Okay.
क्लिक करो ऊपर तो आ जाएगा।
Okay, okay, ठीक है.
Just see here, guys. Here, what you can do, as you got that. I mean, you know that Amazon Linux 2 AMI. You can see it from the screen. So our task basically has been done already. But the thing is that if you wanted to, check that whether your server is, I mean, Linux server is working properly or not. So there are few commands you can test it. Okay, in here. So just type a command like, so network pattern errors saying here, just restart it, restart the session, log in again, do that, EC2 and user, press enter. Yes, electric, yeah, now fine. So here you have to type some command like sudo sudo and there will
थोड़ा
be
फुल स्क्रीन कर दीजिए सर, दिख नहीं रहा है।
visible. So here you have to write there sudo su. That will gives you that admin right, this command. So just type it sudo sudo su. Press enter. So you will come in that hash mode. Earlier you were in dollar, just you can see it in this mode you were earlier, like EC2 user you are in there. Now you have that admin privilege.
क्या टाइप करना है?
Sudo su. So once you'll type sudo su, you'll be getting admin privilege, right? Next you have to type yum install, then httpd, then again give that -y. Did everybody?
हाइफन के पहले स्पेस है
और इंस्टॉल का स्पेलिंग गलत लिखा है सर आप।
Install, yes, install spelling should be correct, otherwise will not take.
सर हाइफन के पहले स्पेस है।
Yes. So here just see.
सर पैकेज का नाम क्या है सर?
Install. Which
पैकेज
package?
का नाम
Which package you are asking?
जो अभी अभी आप इंस्टॉल करने बोले सर।
HTTPD. So just yum install httpd -y. So see, once you'll press, once you'll type this command and press enter, everybody just do. So just see that what are the things it's saying. Just press enter.
तो yum install और एक बार बोलेंगे सर।
Yum install. Let me show you. Just see. The command is this. Just see here. Visible yum install. httpd space -y. So this one, once you type this command na, that your server will start installing. Okay, so whether it has been installed or not, then you have to type command and check it, because this process is going on. I mean, it is in processing, as you can see it also. So here is verified all this thing. Next.
Sir, I am getting an error saying that package HTTPD has no installation candidate.
So you have
Maybe
not
you are
been
not
written.
into admin mode. Check if you
I
are.
am in admin mode. I am a super user now.
Have you typed that sudo su?
Yes, sir.
Then
भाई
you can
पहले सुनो सर क्या बोल रहे हैं. सब कुछ तो हो ही रहा है, तुमको ज्यादा डाउट हो रहा है.
sudo su. Just listen.
Just a minute. Nitin, it is not you that who is teaching.
भाई यहाँ सब कुछ सुनो सबको यहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. भाई तुम पहले सुनो तो सही सर क्या बोल रहे हैं. सब कुछ तो हो ही रहा है आराम से.
अरे everybody just keep quiet. Yes, just see here, listen properly. Sudo su, what you have to type, just see here, sudo su, give a space in between, just see. You have to give some space between sudo and su, and then press enter. Once you press enter,
Sir, I am in super user already, sir.
Okay, then type that yum install space httpd space -y, just type -y. Done. Now press enter. Are you getting it now?
So let me try again, sir.
Yes, do that.
Sir, this command is same for all Linux kernels or it's different for
No, see, basically most of the command is same. Some of the commands a bit differ, like we are using for this, we are connecting that with the cloud server. I mean, like Amazon Linux to AMI. So we are using this kind of command to get that Apache server. So for this, you have to type this command only for the getting that Apache server. Apart from that, there are so many other servers also available. For their command is also a bit different. So you have to learn. I mean, if you will be, but basically our task is not to like in a cloud. If you wanted to be also a Linux administrator, or you wanted to be in Linux profile, so you should have some knowledge of this Linux command as well. So the same thing I'm doing here, like some of the command is only required, not all, as per your IMS and cloud training. But if you will be having good knowledge in Linux, that there are huge requirement in the corporate. Okay, just see here guys, next what you have to do if you have done till that. So here next you have to check it, like we have, I mean the server has start installing, then just write it, check it whether status of the server, whether it has been installed or correctly is running or not. So their command is service httpd status, service space httpd.
So could you please scroll down your screen?
Yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just see here, service httpd status. Give space in between, guys. Now press enter and check it the status of your server. So just see here, like this one is inactive. Just you can see it here, our server, it's showing that their status is what? Inactive, dead. Okay, so we have to make it active, right? And we have to enable it, the server. Are getting it? Our server services is what? Already inactive condition. Okay, so we need to we need to make it start, or we need to restart the server, right? So if you'll be not be using that server, by default it used to be in inactive mode, right? So we need to start the server, like in Putty also you have seen it. For the few minutes, if you not use Putty, na, it will not be access. I mean, it will give you error, or it will be, in inactive mode. It will go. So you have to go here. You have to start again your Putty. So similarly for this Linux server as well. So you have to start the server. So for start the servers, what are the command? The same command. You can press the upper arrow. Just you can find it arrow, and you can check it. Just see what are the commands is required. Service httpd, and just remove the status. Just write start. Okay, service httpd start. Done, everybody. Now press enter.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have yes. The command is service httpd start. Just check on the screen. Service httpd start. Done. Then press enter after
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay. Now once you click here, once you press enter, now find the status. What is going on here? Just see that service http d start. Now it's not showing like inactive and anything, so it has been started your server. So if you wanted to check it, I mean, just see whether your server is running. I mean, this is through the command you have you have entered it, that start. I mean, that command you have typed like service httpd start, but you wanted to see that your server on the on through the Google or through any browser. I mean, over the internet, you wanted to search your server, like Linux server, Apache server, right? So how will you find it? So for this, you have to copy to your IP, like how you did it for the static server, how you check it, the static website in previous class. You have copied that IP address, you have pasted it in the Google, right? The same thing we will be doing here, and we will be checking it whether our server is running properly or not. So just this one you need to minimize here. Till this, everybody just do that first.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Just now copy that IP. Which one is your IP address? Just find it. This is your public IP only. Just copy it. Just paste it here. And press enter and check it. So this should show like this. And this logo, I mean, the powered by Apache, that should show. If it is showing, it means that everything is fine. Your server is running correctly, perfectly. So we need this screenshot for today's session. I needed
Sir,
each one of you should have this screenshot with this IP. I mean, everybody should have different IP. Yeah, tell me.
sir, after starting that server, I pressed again that command that where you are checking the status, and there it was showing active.
Active,
That can
na?
also be approved.
Active, then it's fine, na? No problem. Then
Yes,
go
sir.
for
Previous it
go
was
on.
showing inactive dead. Now it is showing active bracket. It is showing running.
Yes, that's good thing. वही तो तुमको चेक करना है. वो
Okay,
एक्टिव
sir.
है, तो अब तुम जाओ वहाँ गूगल में जाके उसको आईपी को पेस्ट करो, और ये वाला स्टेटस तुम्हारा, ये वाला पेज आएगा, टेस्ट पेज.
Sir, आ रहा है.
Yes, so it means that you have done correctly all this thing.
Sir, I am getting error.
Which error you have you checked it? This started the server. Yes.
सर लॉगिन करने के बाद वो शो कर रहा है नो सपोर्टेड ऑथेंटिकेशन मेथड.
क्या फिर से बोलो? लॉगिन करने के बाद
कैन आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन सर?
यस
सर 1804183.
4183. Rajiv.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Share it. Guys, just mute yourself.
मैं तो पैसा नहीं दूंगा.
सर मैंने फोन से ज्वाइन करा है सर, और प्लीज एक और होगा सर, वो उसको बना दीजिए फोन से।
Which one is yours?
सर एक सेम नाम, सेम ही है सर, 18041।
That is not coming here. You have to speak through there. It will come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv, yeah.
सर मैं स्टार्ट किया फिर भी इनएक्टिव बता रहा है।
Okay. Just I have allowed you, Rajiv. Just share your screen, and then I will go for the next host.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Okay sir.
Other people just see it here. Those who
Sir,
are
it's showing
might
like
be have a same issue. EC2 space. So see, EC2 space user. So you're not like that. Just press.
Okay sir.
Okay. Why did you close it? From there only you can get it. No? Session. Yes, EC2 space user.
हाइफन नहीं देना सर।
हाइफन फिर स्पेस यूजर। कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ओके करो। ओके
इस क्लोज हो जा रहा है सर।
क्लोज हो जा रहा है। अच्छा
यस सर।
EC2 हाइफन यूजर है। एक बार ट्राई करो।
एक बार फिर से लिखो। म्यूट योरसेल्फ। हु इज दिस? बहुत साउंड आ रहा है उधर से तुम लोगों की तरफ से। एवरीबॉडी जस्ट म्यूट इट। ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट म्यूट योरसेल्फ। Yeah, type it EC2.
Yes sir.
Hyphen user. Press enter. Server refuse our key. Okay.
Sir, I was facing the same error. What I did was after downloading the PEM file, I renamed it to another name, and then I tried. Then it worked for me. So you can try the same.
Actually, PEM और PPM दो अलग अलग की होता है, तो PPK है उससे होगा ये।
हाँ, PPK से होगा, बट PM फाइल जहाँ पर तुमने PuttyGen से चेंज किया था, वहाँ पर जाके फिर से चेंज कर दो, दूसरे नाम से सेव कर लो प्राइवेट की फाइल, तो हो जाएगा। At least that worked for me.
ये इंस्टेंसेस में जाना एक बार। इंस्टेंस आईडी में सॉरी कनेक्ट करना एक बार, चेक करना। अब ये SSH क्लाइंट में जाओ। ये लास्ट वाला कमांड जो है ना, एग्जांपल जहाँ लिखा है, उसको कॉपी करके CMD में डाल दो, मतलब जहाँ तुम्हारा PM फाइल डाउनलोड। CMD खोलो। CD डाउनलोड्स। टैब डालो, टैब
वो पूरा
CD डाउनलोड्स। CD करके DO डालोगे, फिर टैब कर दोगे तो आ जाएगा। कैप्स में होता है, टैब दबाओ ना, टैब प्रेस करो। टैब TAB टैब होता है।
कीबोर्ड में टैब है ना, वो दबाओ। CD डाउनलोड्स और कीबोर्ड का टैब।
CD स्पेस DO प्रेस, DO लिखो, आप टैब की प्रेस करो। टैब से कुछ नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं हो रहा।
लिख दो डाउनलोड्स डी कैप्स में होगा।
डी कैप्स
डी को कैप्स में, हाँ CD स्पेस डी कैप्स में होगा। डी को कैप्स में, हाँ डाउनलोड्स, हाँ एंटर। अब ये पेस्ट कर दो यहाँ पे।
हो गया।
अभी यस यस लिख दो, वाई लिख दो।
वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। चलो तुम्हारा हो गया, क्लोज करो। इसके बाद जितने कमांड बताया गया है उसको टाइप करते जाना वहां पे। ग्रेट। ओके गाइस, सो म्यूट इट एवरीबॉडी। Everybody done it till this?
सर मेरा HTTP
Okay, so I will give you some question. You have to do that. I mean as a assignment. Yeah, who was asking? किसका नहीं हो रहा है?
सर मेरा HTTPD एक्टिव नहीं हो रहा है, अभी भी डेड ही बता रहा है।
ये जो बच्चा जैसे किया है वैसे करो, चेक करो।
नहीं सर, उसका तो लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा था। मेरा HTTPD नहीं स्टार्ट हो रहा है सर्विस।
सर्विस स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है? अच्छा ठीक है, शेयर योर स्क्रीन।
हाँ सर।
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
सर 1804189।
One again speak your name.
सर रुद्राक्ष।
Yeah.
सर आज का टास्क कंप्लीट हो गया है क्या?
Yes. Yes.
ओके सर।
सर स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
We'll share you the attendance link, so be connected all of you. I'll give you some question today also for your assignment. Then after giving attendance, then you can leave. So yes, tell me.
Okay, sir.
That is fine. You go just press enter.
सर वो फिर से करना पड़ेगा पुट्टी, 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा हो गया शायद।
ठीक है, उसको रीस्टार्ट कर दो। या
It deals with the character, boolean, and numbers. Collection variable, if I'm telling this variable is collection type, that means it's an array. It can be one list. That is comes into the collection. Then table data type means we have to mention the data in a 2-dimensional row and column format.
First do sudo su.